Wow, MRT is open now. And I think it will be crowded everywhere. GDP of Taiwan is expected to increase by 6%. Cost of whole event will be around like 30 million.
I just want to eat, save a spot at the table.
People are sitting on the roads here right now. Hello my YouTube family, welcome to today's vlog, and today I'm going to see the fireworks at Taipei 101. This year the fireworks will be very different than all the years in the past. This year they are going to blow 16,000 fireworks at Taipei 101, and this is going to happen for the first time, and I think it will be great and amazing experience. And the theme of this year New Year fireworks is towards better future. The last 2 years for Taiwan is really amazing because the economy is greatly increased. So let's go. Many of the countries are not really celebrating New Year. For example, like in India, the COVID is increasing right now. People are saying that it's a third wave. Hopefully it will be controlled. So this year fireworks will last for 6 minutes, and it's just because there are lots of sponsors are sponsoring this event. The GDP of Taiwan is expected to increase by 6%. So I think this is really, that's why they are increasing the time, and there are lots of sponsors sponsoring this event. The cost of whole event will be around like 30 million, which is around like 5 million more than last year. Want to see how packed it is with people. People are sitting on the roads here right now, everywhere, all around Taipei 101. I can't even see because of there are a lot of clouds there, and they also put the dustbin here, and I think that's a good job. I'm trying to find a place to go a little bit far, not too near, so that I can be live and can show you guys. And after this event is over, everyone will be going crazy to MRT stations and trying to find a taxi. You will not find any taxi. People even bring the U-bikes and lock it here.
I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'm a ride for the squad. Ladder ties in the hearse. I've been on the vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between.
People are sitting here. It is so packed.
Middle of the time of my life, I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap, got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, do that ass survive, doing 80 to the house, then I hit it to the sky, change haters on a tirade, talking to the grip in the face, be still, let that hate stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe, I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel big.
Everywhere is just full of people, everywhere, all around the Taipei 101. So there are a lot of people around here. So network is not really working, so I'm not sure I can do the live or not.
Back to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, hit myself on.
The fireworks just end. Now everyone is just running to the almost like 1 million people was around Taipei 101. You can see people are all around Taipei and we're watching fireworks. And now everyone is just going home, and I think it will be crowded everywhere. I'm trying to find the MRT and we'll go home. And I hope the New Year 2022 will bring some happiness in everyone's life, because last 2 years was crazy and because of this pandemic. But we were lucky that Taiwan controlled it very well. Last 2 to 3 years, every New Year the new variant is coming. This is really sucks. I think Corona take that phrase very seriously. New Year, new me.
Heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad bitches here, I'ma curve them all. 12 missed calls and I still made a curtain call.
This is outside the MRT, everyone is going inside. This is Sun Memorial Hall. Wow, MRT is open now. This is how people... It's so crowded. Because I was just near to the MRT, so I easily come. Otherwise, after like 5 or 10 minutes, it will be a whole pack. The frequency of MRT is also increased because of New Year. Now it's already 12:10, so they will close the MRT at 2 o'clock. It will be packed in just 10 minutes. So that's all, and that's all for today, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, what you do, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Namaste.